Hello everyone, welcome back to Amana's Kitchen. Today we present you with an Andhra special dish, stuffed brinjal curry. This brinjal curry is generally prepared with baby brinjals or medium sized brinjals. Take fresh brinjals, wash it and pat it dry. Now in a bowl of water add 2 teaspoons of salt, mix it well. Since we are going to stuff the brinjals, slit the brinjals in the middle into an X cut so that it's easy for us to stuff and the masala gets inside the brinjal as well. So cut all the brinjals into X and place it inside the water so that the brinjals doesn't darken or change its color. Now to prepare the masala paste, in a kadai add 2 tablespoons of groundnut. Roast it well. Once it is well dry roasted, add 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 6 to 7 dry red chilies. The sesame seeds and the groundnuts give a creamy texture to this gravy. Dry roast them for 30 to 40 seconds. Then add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Roast them well. Add 4 to 5 slices of coconut. I have used fresh coconut here. Preferably use dry coconut. It gives a very distinguished flavor to this dish. Once it is well roasted, transfer it to a blender. Add few cloves of garlic, 1 small onion chopped and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Grind it to a smooth paste. Now we are going to stuff the brinjal with the paste that we have prepared. So take a small teaspoon of paste and start stuffing the brinjals. Repeat the same for all the remaining brinjals. Once all the brinjals are ready, keep it aside. Now let's start preparing the dish. Now in a kadai, take 2 tablespoons of oil, add mustard seeds, curry leaves, and once it is all well roasted, add the brinjals that we have stuffed with the masala. Place it slowly in the oil. This should be cooked in medium flame. Add required amount of salt. Slowly and gently stir the brinjal. Once all the brinjals are well coated with oil, place the lid and cover the kadai for around 10 minutes. In between, stir the brinjals so that it doesn't stick to the pan. You can see the brinjals colors have started to change. So it is getting cooked slowly. Cook on medium for 10 minutes. Keep stirring the brinjals once in a while. After 10 minutes, we see that the brinjals are half cooked and the color of the brinjals have become golden brown. Now the remaining paste from the blender can be added to this brinjal. Add a cup of tamarind water. Mix it well. Now cook on slow flame. Add water to the blender to remove the remaining paste in the blender. Mix the curry well. Lower the flame, close the brinjal and let it cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. Keep stirring in between and do check the taste and add the salt accordingly. So it has started to boil and you can see that the curry is thickening. This curry goes really well with hot ghee rice, pulao, rotis and anything of our choice. So after 20 minutes the curry has thickened and the oil has started floating on the top. The brinjals are now well cooked and this is how the consistency of the curry should be. Our brinjal curry is now ready. Enjoy this curry at home. Bye bye. Take care.